Me acabo de cortar el pelo.
You cut your hair?
Hello, hello, good morning.
Yes. Okay, everybody open your book. Page number 10. Remember that yesterday, oh yes, you cut your hair, Santiago Chavez. I can see it. We are going to continue working on page number 10. So everybody, please look at page number 10.
Ya no tiene su cámara
Page
encendida.
number 10. Joshua, Isabella, you have any problem with your video? Your camera?
Amanda, Daniel, Andrea.
Yes or not?
Turn your camera on. Okay.
I'm going to change a video. That's why I have the camera.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Joshua. Now, if you remember yesterday, we're talking about read and write numbers according to its position. How can we read it and write it? We work in these exercises until number 5. So let's continue with number 5. And remember, this we can write it on word form. We can have it on word form. That is the one that they are providing you, word form. So we need to write it down in the other 2 other forms. Do you remember the other 2 other forms? We have expanded form, and also we have standard form. So let's write it down here. I'm going just to write it down here. Unexpanded form. Let's write it unexpanded form. An expanded form is a number 40,619. So it's an addition, it's a long way. So 40,000, so we represented 40,000 plus 600, that is on the hundreds, plus 19 we can have 10 on the 10th, and 9 on the 1. So that it's going to be an expanded form in a long way represented as an addition. Now, what about standard form? If you remember on the standard form, we write the number as it is. We write the number 40,000. So we say 40,000, comma, 600, 619. That's going to be the standard for that number, right? Do you remember that yesterday we worked on this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Number 6 and 7, number 6 and 7, you are going to do it by yourself, so you can try. Remember that if they give us an expanded form, you have to write it on word form and standard form. Now let's write here, number 8. Use the number 145,973. That's our number in number 8. So we have to answer these questions. Let's write the answer for each question. Number 8, write the name of the period that has the digit 145. Do you remember that we talk about periods? The period is made of 3 for 1, 10s, and hundreds. These 3 make the 1 period. After the comma, we have 3 more that they make the 1,000 period. So 145, it's on the thousands period. Thousands, they are on the thousands. We're talking about 145,000. Tell me, Khaled.
Copy this example of
Yes.
form. Copy that.
Write it down. Yes, you have to write number 5 and number 8. Valerie.
We have to write expanded form and standard form.
You can write it down. You can write it down. So you remember which of them it is. Yes, you can write it down.
Do you have to write 1,000?
Yes, also the answer. Everything that is here. Valerie?
Pero si queremos, no podemos escribir standard form.
Yes, you cannot write it down. If you want, you can write it down. what you have to write is this, the numbers. The numbers is what you have to write it down because that's the answer. This is just for you, an explanation that I copy here. Yes?
We copy Word form.
You don't have to copy this. If you have a space, you can do it. If you don't have a space, don't worry. But copy the numbers. The numbers you have to copy.
And the number 8.
Yes, number 8. Number 6 and 7, you're going to do it by yourself later as a homework, number 6 and 7. To see if you can do it, and then I'm going to check it. Now, number 8, it's the thousands. Why the thousands? Because 145, it's on the thousands according to the place value chart. Now, what about 973? How do you call the period that it's the digit 973, class? The first period. Do you remember that yesterday we say that ones, tens, and hundreds, ones. The first 3 digits are located on the ones. They are located on the ones. 4, 5, 4, and 1 on the thousands. That is the name of the second period. That is the name. Yes? Now, which number of this, of the number 145,973, it's on the 10,000s. Which of these numbers is on the 10,000s, class? On the 10,000s. Which number? Remember the number 3? It's on the ones. Number 7 on the tens. Number 9 on the hundreds. Number 4 on the 10,000s. Sorry, on the 1,000s. Number 4 on the 10,000s, and number 1 on the 100,000s. So which number is located on the 10,000s, class? It's number 4. Remember, number 4 is located on the 10,000s because we have 5 on the 1,000s and 4 on the 10,000s.
Miss, what are we going to do in the 6 and the 7?
6 and 7 is the same of this. You have to do the same of this, but this you're going to complete it later. Right now, copy what I'm writing here. We're going to complete later that.
Finish.
Okay, you finished? 2 minutes, 2 minutes to copy this.
I know understanding. I know.
You don't
No
understand?
understand exactly.
La 7 y la 6 la hacemos nosotros, ¿verdad?
Yes, 6 and 7. Okay, let's see here about Rebecca. I'm going to use this space here. No, let's use this. Okay, Rebecca, here I'm going to write it down. I'm going to make a chart. If you remember on page number 9, I think that it was page number 9. Yesterday we talked about the place value chart. So you need to remember the place value chart that we have. That's going to look like this. Okay, it's divided on 3. So we have this 1 and 2, okay. On the first one, we have the ones, that's the name of the period, ones. And in this other side, we have the thousands. Thousands. This is on the second period. How do we know that they are a period? Because they are divided by a comma. Here it is a comma. Imagine that there is a comma here. Imagine it's a comma. It doesn't look like a comma. So these are the periods, 1 and thousands. Now, we also can divide the numbers according to its location into ones, tens, Do you remember this? And
Yes.
hundreds, right? Okay, hundreds. I don't have too much space, but this is for hundreds, the letter H.
Yes.
And
yes.
again, we start with ones, but 1,000. We
Yes.
have 10
10,000.
thousands and 100,000s, right? In the hundreds. Now, if we are placing a number, for example, this one, Rebecca, 145, 9, you place it according to its position. Which number is on the ones, Rebecca?
The 3.
3. Number 3, that's right. So you locate the number 3 here. Which number is on the 100 ones? 100 ones. 5.
The 5.
100 ones.
5.
5? Are you sure 5? It's after the comma. 5? It's here. 5 is on the 1,000. It's a 9. That's right. Number 9.
9.
Number 9 is on the 100. So you need to remember this information to locate this number. For example, if I tell you which number is on the 10,000s, on the 10,000s,
4.
it's number 4. That's right. It's number 4 on the 10,000s. So that's why the number 4 is the answer here, because it's asking you which number is on the 10,000s. And according to here, number 4 is on the 10,000s, right? Which number is on the 100,000s? 100,000s.
9. 100,000.
100,000.
1.
1, that's right. And you have the number. You have the number here. If you can notice, you have the 100,000s, it's number 1. On the 10,000s, it's number 4. So if it is asking you about the 10,000s place, you know that it's number 4. But what happens if the exercise asks you for the 1,000s? You look for the 1,000s, that is number 5. But here it's asking you for 10,000. So that's why it's number 4. Yes? Okay, now what about here? It's asking you the periods. Remember the period is just ones and thousands. Ones and thousands. Now write the value of the digit 1, number 1. What is the value of digit number 1? It's on the hundreds, right? 100,000. So we need to write 100,000, right? That's the value of 100,000. Yes? Don't forget to have your video on, class, so I can see that you are working. Ana, Camila, Fernando, Isabela. Okay, class, did you finish to copy the answers? Yes? Okay, let's go to page number 11. Number 11 is the same. We have to write the numbers in the standard form. We need to write the answers for the numbers that we have on the standard form. They are on expanded form, so we need to write it down in standard form. Number 11.
Finished.
Finished? Everybody finished to copy this slide?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, number 11, we're going to work just number 12. Let's see right now. We have to find the sum, so we need to add. It says 5,000s, 2 10s, 4 1s, plus, it's an addition, plus 4,300s to 1s. We're going to add. We can add thousands plus thousands. So we have 5,000s and we have 4,000s. If you make an addition, what is the answer of 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4. What is the answer of 5 plus 4?
Sorry, 5.
No, it's not a multiplication, it's an addition. See, Jan? It's an addition.
9,000.
9,000,
Nine.
excellent. You add, it's addition, addition. We're not multiplying. 9,000, excellent. 9,000, that's the answer for the thousands. Now, can we add hundreds? Marcelo, do we have another hundreds here or just the 300s?
3.
Just 3, right? So we copied 300s. We continue writing 300s. We don't have anything to add. 300s. Now we look for the tens. The tens, do we have 2 tens? Do we have another tens?
Do you
don't
have
have-
to write 9 or 1,000?
You have to write everything, Marcelo. Everything that is there. Number 2, we don't have tens, just 2 tens. So we are not going to add the tens, just copy the 2 tens. Then we have ones. We have 4 ones and 2 ones. Now, can we add the ones, 4 and 2 ones? Yes, right? We can add 4 ones plus 2 ones. What's the answer of 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2.
600.
6 ones, that's right, 6 ones. And that's our answer. Again, I'm going to explain one more time. We have to add to find the answer of our expanded form. We have 5,000, but we have also 4,000. So we add the thousands, we can add it. They are the same. 5,000 plus 4,000 equal to 9,000. Now, we need to add the hundreds, but we find out that we only have 300. We don't add, just write 300. We continue with the tens. We have 2 tens, so we copy the tens. And then the ones, we have 4 ones and 2 ones. So we add the 4 plus 2 to write the 6 one. And then we can write the number in the standard form. How is the standard form? Remember, it's 9,300, 2 tens, and 6 on the ones. That's our number. That's the number that we are writing on standard and expanded form. 9,326. Yes?
I finished. This is the last.
Okay, yes. And this is the same. So you can try 13, 14, and 15 by yourself. Yes? Remember that you need to take a photo of this and upload it to Schoology.
The 12 and the 10.
Yes.
The
The
11
10 and 11. Yes. It's in your homework page, number 10 and number 11. So you
Other.
try to do it by yourself. I'm going to help you with one more. So you have 2 examples and you have to do 2 more, right?
Miss,
Tell me, Rebecca.
también tenemos que hacer como tarea hasta la 18.
Until 11. Yes, until 18. Try this one. This is a problem. You answer these questions using this chart. Just checking the chart. Yes? Okay. I'm going to stop sharing because I'm going to ask you the tables. Remember that for today, your homework was to study table of 4 and 5. So I'm going to ask you, remember to unmute your microphone if I am asking you, so you can tell me the answer. Now, let's start with Khaled. You're going to be the first one, Khaled. Khaled, 4
Yes.
times 5.
4 times 5, 7.
5 times 7.
28. 28.
5 times 7.
5 times 7. 35.
35. Excellent. One more. 5 times 2.
5 times 2. 15. 15. No. 10, 10, 10. It's 10. 10.
10. Okay, excellent. Anna, questions for you, Anna. 4 times 8.
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 9.
36.
5 times 8.
What?
5 times 8.
Wait. 40.
5 times 1.
5.
Excellent. Sijan.
I didn't
4.
study that table.
Okay, Sijan, 4 times 3.
12.
4 times 10.
40. Yo no sabía qué hacer en la
5
página.
times 3. 5 times 3. 15. Excellent. Thank you. Lucia, it's your turn. 4 times 0.
4 times 0, 0.
Excellent. 5 times 7.
5 times 7, 35.
Excellent. 5 times 4.
20.
20. Great. Thank you, Lucia. Thank you. Okay, now let's see Hermes. Hermes, what's the answer of 4 times 3?
12.
4 times 10.
40.
5 times 8.
40.
And 5 times 6.
30.
Excellent, excellent. Danny, what's the answer of 4 times 4?
16.
Okay, 4 times 8.
32.
5 times 7.
35.
5 times 0.
0.
Excellent, excellent. Let's see, Marcelo Gomez. Marcelo, what's the answer of 4 times 2?
8.
4 times 8.
24.
4 times 8? It's not 24. Okay.
20.
32, that's right, Danny. 32. Marcelo, 5 times 3.
12, es que no me acuerdo. 12. 15.
15, Joshua, that's right. One more, Marcelo. 5 times 7.
20.
5 times 7.
35.
35. 35.
Okay. 35, Marcelo. Remember to study the table. Okay. Mia, it's your turn, Mia. Let's see, Mia. 5 times 7. Just Mia. Unmute your microphone, Mia. Mia? It's not Mia connected. Okay, let's go now with,
Yeah, connected.
yes.
Yeah, he's here.
Somehow she cannot listen to me. Okay, let's see now. Santiago Chavez. Santiago Chavez. 5 times 5. Santiago Chavez.
Área, que son otras clases,
5
¿verdad?
times 5.
Dejen secar su project después en un lugar donde le pegue el aire, que no lo vaya a agarrar el gato, ni el perro, ni el hermanito.
5 times 5.
¿Ok? Antes de que le puedan tomar la picture. Porque ya le ha pasado a algunos chicos del año pasado que les ha tocado que el hermanito les agarra su project.
You know. Okay, Santiago, 5 times 2.
Ah, bueno, no tiene gatitos ni nada ahí. Ok, chicos. voy
5
a pasar
times
lista.
2.
Gatitos, sí, bueno. Voy a pasar lista, así que cuando escuchen su
20.
nombre, por favor, digan por
Oh,
favor.
5 times 2, it's 10. One more, Santiago. 4 times 3. 4 times 3.
¿Ya?
Sorry?
12.
In English, how do you say that in English? 4 times 3.
12.
Carla.
12. 12, Santiago Chavez.
Yo
Okay,
estaba
thank-
diciendo eso.
yes, but in Spanish, you say 12. The answer must be
No.
in English, 12.
Es que
Okay.
no hablaba más fuerte.
Okay, thank you, Santiago Chavez. If I ask you the table, you can disconnect. If I haven't asked you to stay connected, please. Okay, now let's see, Fernando. 4 times 7.
28.
4 times 8.
32.
Okay, 5 times 3.
5 times 3. 15.
5 times 10.
50.
Excellent. Santiago Chavez, Fernando, you can disconnect. Bye-bye. Okay, let's Marcelo, the same for you. Santiago Hernández.
Sí, es que yo me equivoqué porque yo le estaba diciendo la de
Bye.
Bye-bye, Santiago.
También.
Yes. Okay, Marcelo. Santiago Hernández, unmute your microphone, please. Santiago Hernández, 4 times 5.
20.
Okay, 4 times 2.
8.
5 times 3.
15.
15. And 5 times 0.
0.
Excellent. Bye-bye, Santiago Hernández.
Bye-bye.
Gabriela Gigurens. Gabriela, 5 times 8.
5 times 8 is 40.
5 times 9.
5 times 9 is 45.
4 times 3.
4 times 3 equals 12.
Excellent. Bye-bye, Gabriela. Joshua,
Bye.
4 times 8, Joshua.
4 times 8. I'm not sure, but I think that is 64.
Oh, Rosa, what's the answer? 4 times 8?
32.
Okay, thank you, Rosa. Joshua, 4 times 3.
4 times 3 is 12.
Excellent. 5 times 5, Joshua.
5 times 5 is is 25.
Excellent. You can go, Joshua. Rosa, 2 more for you, Rosa. 5 times 10.
50.
4 times 10.
40.
4 times 2. 4 times 2.
8.
Excellent. Bye-bye, Rosa. Kiara Palencia. 5 times 3, Kiara.
5 times 3. 12.
5 times 3. It's not 12. Alberto, 5 times 3, Alberto.
15.
Excellent. Kiara, 4 times 4.
16.
16, excellent. Kiara, 5 times 10.
5 times.
50. Okay, the pronunciation 50. Excellent. Bye-bye, Kiara. Alberto, 4 times 8.
32.
Excellent. 4 times 7.
28.
28. 4 times 1.
4.
Excellent. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Alberto. Valerie, 5 times 1.
What means I don't hear you well?
5 times 1.
5.
Excellent. 5 times 3.
15.
4 times 9. 4 times 9.
4 times 9. 36.
Excellent. Bye-bye, Valerie. Isabella, 5 times 10. 50. It doesn't work in your microphone, I think. Rebecca, 5 times 10.
50.
50. Okay, excellent. Rebecca, 4 times 4.
4 times 4 is 16.
Excellent. 5 times 8.
40.
40?
Excellent. Bye-bye, Isabella. Bye-bye, Rebecca. Camila.
Bye.
Valerie, you can go, Valerie. Camila, 4 times 3. 4 times 3.
12.
Mia, 5 times 5. Camila, 5 times 5. Mia, 5 times 5.
5 times 5, right?
Yeah.
25. 25.
25. Oh, right.
25. Again, that question's for all of you. 4 times 8. 4 times 8.
30 times 8.
22.
32. 32, Mia. Okay, Mia, one more. 4 times 10.
4 times 10. 40.
40. Okay, and the last one. 5 times 5. 5 times 5, class.
25. 25. 25.
Right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next
Bye,
time.
Miss. See you later.